Now the problem number 6. The first inequality is p minus 1 greater than 2 and less than 5. And the second inequality is 2p minus 1 greater than 7 and less than equal to 7 and less than equal to 17. So in the first inequality we have to add 1 on each expression to get p in the middle term. Right, now this is 6, this is p, and this is 3. So p is greater than 3 and less than 6 from the first inequation. Next inequation is 2p minus 1 greater or equal to 7 and less than equal to 17. Now first we add plus 1 on each expression. So the middle term became 2p. Now we divide each expression by 2. Then it's 8 by 2, it's p, and it's 18 by 2. 4, and this is 9. So p is greater than equal to 4 and less than equal to 9. This is from our second inequality. Now here it is written that AND. So we have to plot first inequation and then second equation, and then taking intersection will give you the answer. So first we draw a number line, plus infinite, minus infinite. Here p greater than 3 and less than 6. So here is 3 and here is 6. Both will be open circle because no equal sign is there. This is from our first inequation, and we again plot the second inequation. This is p is greater than equal to 4 and less than equal to 9. So 4 will be somewhere here and 9 will be here. This is plus infinite and this is minus infinite. Clear? Now equal sign is there, so both will be in 4 and 9 closed circle. Here it is open circle and here it is closed circle. From 4 to 9 close. So we have to take intersection. Intersection means common. So answer will be, here p belongs to real number, so answer will be p will be greater than equal to 4, because here equal to will be there, because here closed circle in 4 and here also 4 is there, and 6 here open circle but here is closed circle, so common will be open 6. So there will be no equal sign, right? So p greater than equal to 4 and less than 6 will be the answer, because p belongs to real number. This is our sixth problem. Next problem, seventh problem. It tells that p is the solution set of 7x minus 2 greater than equal to 4x plus 1, and q is the solution set of 9x minus 45 greater than equal to 5 first bracket x minus 5, where x belongs to real number. Represents p intersection q, p minus q, p intersection q dash on different number line. We have to draw 3 different number line and plot those p intersection q, p minus q, and p intersection q dash. So first 7x minus 2 greater than equal to 4x plus 1. This means P. It implies 4x will be in the left hand side. So 3x greater than equal to 3. It implies x greater than equal to 1. Right? It's P. It represents P. And what is the representation of Q? It's 9x minus 45 greater than equal to 5x minus 25. It implies 4x greater than equal to 45 minus 25 means 20. It implies x greater than equal to 5. This is Q. So we have to plot both P and Q. P is x greater than equal to 1. So here will be 1, close circle, because equal sign is there, means 1 to plus infinite. And Q is x greater than equal to 5. So 5 will be there, and also here equal sign is there. So close circle, 5 close to plus infinite. Right? Now first P intersection Q means common between P and Q. So common will be 5 close to infinite open, because here 5 is closed circle and here also 5 is closed. So answer of 1 will be from 5 close to infinite. It is number 1. And P minus Q. P minus Q means we have to delete Q from P. We have to delete Q from P. So this is P and this is Q. So if we delete Q from P, then here 5 will not be there. Right? So from 1 to open 5 will be the answer, because we delete 5 from P also. So number 2 will be P minus Q. That means from close 1 to open 5. This is critical. Here open 5 will be the answer, not close 5, because we deleted 5. 3. P intersection Q dash. Q dash means total number line minus Q. Means from minus infinite to open 5. From minus infinite to open 5. I plot Q dash. From minus infinite to open 5 means here not closed circle but open circle. And P is from 1 close to infinite open. Now it's intersection sign, so we have to take common. Here 1 is close and here also 1 is there. So from 1 close to 5 open, because here 5 is open and here 5 is close. So common will be open 5. So answer will be close 1 to open 5, means first bracket, not third bracket. This is the answer of third part. Understand that? Next question. Question number 8. Double-sided inequality. Find the solution set if x belongs to natural number, x belongs to whole number, x belongs to integer. 3 part is there. So first, here we have to add plus 3 on each expression. Minus 5 plus 3 it will become 2x and it will become plus 3x plus 5. Now this inequation and this inequation, and then we have to take common. Now first, this is minus 2 less than equal to 2x, that means x greater than equal to minus 1. Intersection here, 2x minus x means x less than 5. So we have to take common. Just plot this graph. X greater than equal to minus 1 means here minus 1, this is minus infinite, this is plus infinite, minus 1 to infinite. Here minus 1 will be closed circle, and next inequation x less than 5. 5 means somewhere here, and this will be open circle because no equal sign is there. Less than 5 means from open 5 to minus infinite. Correct? Now we have to take common because intersection sign is there. Common will be minus 1 here also and minus 1 here also. So from minus 1 close to open 5, because here is open, here is close, so common will be open 5. Minus 1 to 5 will be the intersection of these two inequality. Now part 1 says when x belongs to natural number, find the solution set. So when x belongs to natural number means 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So here answer of first part will be 1, 2, 3 and 4. These 4 element because open 5. These are the natural number in this range. X belongs to whole number. Whole number means from 0 to infinite. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 to infinite, positive infinite. X belongs to whole number means 0, 1, 2, 3 and 4. These 5 elements will be there. And third part, x belongs to integer. Integer means negative, positive, 0. So if x belongs to integer, then answer will be minus 1 here close. So minus 1, we can take minus 1, 0, 1, 2, 3 and 4. These 6 element. So this is the answer. When x belongs to natural number, 4 elements, 1, 2, 3, 4. When x belongs to whole number, 5 element, 0 is included because 0 is whole number. And when x belongs to integer, then minus 1 also included, and minus 1, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. These 6 numbers are the answer.